Hey there! It looks like you might need a little help as you're going through this questionnaire. Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. This questionnaire is the #1 risk tolerance instrument in the world. It was built on a Nobel Prize winning framework, and the best financial professionals out there have used it to deliver millions of risk numbers to people around the world. And it's time to find yours. Let's start by talking about your goals. Now, there aren't any right or wrong answers here, and it doesn't affect the outcome of your risk number. This is just to help guide the broader conversation. Now, this next question is critically important because in order to get your individual risk number, you need to use your real investable dollar amounts right here. Now, it doesn't work if I type in Warren Buffett's dollar amount, and he certainly shouldn't use mine. So, go ahead and tally up every asset you are looking to invest and punch that in right here. Now, here's another question that won't affect your risk number, but is important to the conversation. And now it's time to talk about risk and reward. As you move the slider from left to right, keep an eye on those dollar amounts on the left-hand side of your screen and think about the maximum dollar amount you would be willing to risk in comparison to how much you could gain over the next 6-month period. You could also ask this question in a different way. What's the amount you would need to lose in 6 months that would force you to make big changes as to how your money is managed? Think about taking a painful and unexpected action with your finances. Now, once you've done that, you'll be met with a series of questions that will put your comfort zone to the test. So, just think of each question separately. Which would help you sleep better at night? Option A or option B? Don't overthink it. We're looking to see if you would sacrifice some of the potential upside for the safety of a certain outcome. As you answer these questions, keep in mind the 6-month time frame. Think of each question as, over the next 6 months, would I want to have the option to gain or lose X or guarantee a gain of Y? After that, Nitrogen will crunch all of your data and generate a risk number. And ta-da! You've completed the risk questionnaire. Feel free to nudge it up or down a bit until it feels just right. Your risk number is incredibly personal to you. More questions? No worries at all. Your financial professional was made for conversations like this, and their contact information is right down there if you need it. Now, go find your risk number and invest fearlessly.